favorite chef. Let's get cooking!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
I make food like you should, and when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maia, Chef Maia. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Maia. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are making birthday cupcakes for my uncle. And so let's get started. So first what we're gonna need is some flour, some sugar, some butter, some vanilla extract, some baking powder, some, let me check the ingredients, but I'll tell you in the ingredients in the description. But anyways, get those ingredients that are in the description and I'll see you guys next. So first what we want to do is go ahead and get 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So let's scoop some out. Let me try to do this. And pour it into a small bowl. And get a large bowl for like our butter and stuff because we will be pouring the dry ingredients. Okay, that's about 1 cup anyways, but sorry about the mess. It's always the flour that gets into a mess. Alright, so a half now. Okay, and dump it in here, and then go ahead and wait 1 second. Alright, go ahead and put in a half teaspoon of baking powder. So let's use our half teaspoon for this, so we only have to use, this is a half tablespoon. Wait, half teaspoon. So, our baking powder, and let's put it in for 3 times because we're using a half teaspoon. Wait 1 second, let me try and get a lot. Okay. 2, 3. And you also want to get a spoon and a whisk. Yeah. Then we want to go ahead and put in a half teaspoon of salt. Oh, and I forgot to sift the flour in, but it's probably okay. But a half teaspoon of salt. So this type of salt, and pour in a half teaspoon. And then next what we want to do is go ahead and mix it in with our whisk. So whisk it in so it's all equal and all together. And this will kind of sift the flour too. Like this. Kind of breaks the flour apart, so that's good. And whisk it until it's all in. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this. This will be a vanilla cupcake, a dozen cupcakes vanilla, and it will have chocolate covered strawberry with some buttercream on the top, which will be really good. All right, so now what we want to do. Put your dry ingredients away and get your large bowl and put 1 stick of softened butter. And you want it unsalted. Then you want to go ahead and put 1 cup of sugar. So 1 cup. That's good. Now a little bit more. Or that's good. Pour it in there. And then you want to go and mash it up with the sugar. So this, you want to use a spoon. I don't like using a whisk for this because the butter gets stuck in a whisk and it's very annoying. So just whisk it into the sugar like how we did the coconut cake until it's all fluffy. So I'll see you guys once mine is all whisked in with the sugar. And yeah, I'll see you guys next. It only took like 3 minutes to make it all light and fluffy. And so once it's all light, fluffy, and smooth, we want to go ahead and get 3 eggs. So let's get our eggs real quick and I'll see you guys. So I got my 3 eggs right here. What we want to do is crack 1 at a time in there and mix it in there. So make sure you don't get any shell in, and go ahead and mix it in with the butter and the sugar until it's smooth. And you want to go ahead with the next egg and then the next egg. So you guys, once all 3 eggs are in there and it's all smooth. Okay guys, so once your mixture looks like this, all liquidy and smooth, you want to go ahead and, wait a second, the recipe. Wait a second. So you want to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Let me go see if we still have more vanilla extract. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I just learned that you can substitute vanilla extract with maple syrup, and we have a lot of that. So we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Maple syrup. It's new, we just got this, and that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 teaspoons of it. It should taste the same too. Because syrup and vanilla extract kind of taste the same, actually. Now that I notice it. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and mix that up. So if you don't have vanilla extract, then use maple syrup, like I had to do. Yeah, I mean, it smells like vanilla extract, so it works. Alright. Next, what we want to do is go ahead and pour half of our dry ingredients in. So, just half. Then we're going to mix that in with our spoon or whisk. I just like to use a spoon because the stuff doesn't get caught up inside of the whisk and you have to take it out. So it takes a little bit of time away. So this is looking really good. This is what mine looks like so far. Try to get all the dry ingredients from the sides to make delicious cupcakes. So that looks good so far. Try to get all of the stuff in the middle. Okay. And yeah. Wait 1 second. Okay guys, so now what we want to do once your batter looks like all this, we want to go ahead and mix in our other half of dry ingredients. Wait. No, stop right there. Want to put in 3/4 cups of milk because we don't want it to be too thick that it's not moist inside. So we want to go ahead and get our milk, any milk really, but just not buttermilk. Like, just do regular milk. So 3/4 cups of cow milk, and so let's dump that in. Use a 1/4 cup. Boom. Bam. Bam, boom, bam. Okay. So that is good. Now what we want to do is mix that in. So mix that all in so it's one batter. And as you see, it is very liquidy, and we don't want it that liquidy. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our dry ingredients. So let's do that right now. So dump in the remaining dry ingredients. And so our dry ingredients, pour that in. And mix that all in. Okay, so cut the dry ingredients from the side and put it in the middle. Mix it all in. And yeah. So yeah. And this will be our batter, I believe. I don't think we need to add any more cups of milk because that'll be too liquidy. It's a nice, good batter. Smells really good too. So this is gonna, if you're wondering, this is gonna be a vanilla cupcake with chocolate covered strawberries on. I think I already told you guys, but if I didn't, chocolate covered strawberries on the top. So you also want to get some chocolate chips and some strawberries. Then we're gonna have a nice buttercream, I believe, on the top, or it's like whipped cream. I'm not sure, but it's gonna taste really good. All right, so next what we want to do, once it's all combined and good, we want to go ahead and get a, all right, so once it looks like this, all nice, you can put this aside and clean up your station. So let's put everything away. Flour, sugar, your milk, and your baking powder, and all that stuff. Now see you guys once. Okay guys, so once your batter is all done, we want to go ahead and get some muffin pan. One muffin pan because we're making a dozen, and put some muffin, I forgot what they're called. Wait, let me see. Cupcake liners, I forgot. All right. And so I'm using a birthday one. It looks like this. So since it's gonna be a birthday cupcake, that's great. All right, so once you filled it up, you want to go ahead and scoop some batter into each one. So don't scoop too much into into each one, because if you do, then there'll be giant cupcakes, and I'm not really sure if you want giant cupcakes. So yeah, I'll see you guys once all of them are scooped, and yeah. Okay guys, so my muffin tins are all filled up. Sorry, I was talking like a pirate. But anyways, wait, this one is like sinking a little bit. Wait 1 second while I fix this one. Nope. Alright. It's sort of fixed. No, it's not. Okay. That is okay. See, this one right here, it's not really how we want it. But anyways, I still have a lot of batter left, and so I'm gonna make another dozen. So Uncle Gene, if you're watching this dozen will be for you, and the leftover batter will be just here. And yeah, because this is only gonna make like 5 more cupcakes. So anyways, what we want to do now, wait, 1, 2, okay. What we want to do now, want to go ahead and, wait, 1 second. All right. So put it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour ago, we made these delicious cupcakes, as you see. And so I'm making more with the leftover batter, and I decided to put some strawberries in it to test. And yeah, those are gonna taste good. Don't worry, Uncle Gene, you're gonna have some of the strawberry ones. It's gonna be half and half. And so, anyways, let's go ahead and go to the next step. So, what we want to do is get a medium container, small container, and pour some chocolate chips in there, and then put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. This will be what we dip our strawberries in, of course. And so now, I'm just gonna eat some chocolate-covered strawberries for now, because I made a lot of chocolate sauce, and we won't be needing a lot because we're only putting 1 strawberry on each one. But what I do want you guys to do now is go ahead and make a buttercream frosting. By now you guys should know how to make a buttercream frosting. If you guys don't know how to, just go check out my video. But all you need is some vanilla extract, some butter, and some powdered sugar. So we won't be really needing a lot, so maybe like make 1 cup of powdered sugar. 1 cup of buttercream. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I make. Hey guys, so I made a nice blue buttercream, and I put some sprinkles inside. And so now what we want to do is get our cupcakes. And once they are cooled, let me show you guys. I have it on a tin, and put it in a bag, or like a Ziploc bag, and pipe some buttercream on top. So that's one. Didn't really turn out as well as we want, but it's good still. Try to make it as pretty as possible. Might want to spread out some of the cupcakes. Okay. Now this one. So yeah, technically just do this for all of them and put your chocolate covered strawberries on top. So I'll see you guys once all of mine are done. Hey guys, so I finished my cupcakes. Wait a second. So yeah, I finished all my cupcakes. Time to put them back on the tray. So I finished all of them, and then I'm gonna put them in a container. But first we need to top the strawberries on there. So this one didn't really turn as well, but it still does taste good. But these ones are like bomb. Okay, that's really good. Now, I have made one chocolate strawberry in total, and it's in the fridge right now. Let me get it. So yeah, you want to put them in the refrigerator. I just took a little parchment paper and stuck it on there, and now it's all nice and frozen. And then just top it up. Top it on there. This might be a little too much. Wait. Top it on there like that. And there you get a nice vanilla ice cream. I mean, not ice cream, not a nice vanilla cupcake with strawberries and chocolate. So yeah, I'm gonna do these for the rest of the cupcakes, and then I'm gonna put them in a container, and then my dad will probably take it over to you, Uncle Gene. So if you're watching this, then he might take it over tomorrow. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna do these for the rest of mine, and yeah, I'll see you guys next. Guys, welcome back. So I have made 6 cupcakes so far. I might only give 6 cupcakes because most of our strawberries are going a little bad, but these ones are the ones that were really good. And so yeah, so I might give you 6 cupcakes, but that's still a lot. This is really good. So yeah, this is my package. And I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator so they don't rot. And yeah. So that's how you make chocolate covered strawberries, and also how do you make chocolate covered strawberry cupcakes. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a big thumbs up. If you guys did not, please leave a big thumbs up too. And please subscribe. Our goal is 200 by the end of September, and it's August 30th right now, and we already have 126 subscribers already, so that's pretty awesome. So yeah, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Everything's good.
See you next time!